It's so nice to have a night out. Have fun! Phew! They're finally away! Hey, come with me. I want to show you something. But it's a secret. You can't tell my parents, okay? I mean it. I'll be watching you. Come on, it's down here. It's a pretty boring basement, huh? But I have big plans. I'm thinking of building a water park. I'll need to get rid of all this junk. That painting is definitely going. Huh? Check that out. Wow, that is so bad. I can't use any of that. What else have we got? That might be okay. Mom and Dad really have a lot of trash down here. That must be one of Mom's originals. That was her portrait era. Ugh, look at that. What was Dad thinking? Where did all this come from? I mean, seriously, throw things out. Look at this suitcase. Whoa! I really don't get art. Oops, sorry. Now this is more like it. I always wanted to try skateboarding. Okay, that was a bad idea. But check that out! It's my old slide! It's pretty cool, huh? I used to love this as a kid. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to get to work. We'll start over here. Come on. We need to create space. These can go. I still don't know about this. I feel like it's watching me. It's kinda unsettling. Nah, it's gotta go. This is a great workout. Mom and Dad should be paying me for this. It's never ending. Phew, I'm getting tired. Come on! Why is this so heavy? That's better. It's like a blank canvas. And that's just what I need. I have this flamingo template. I'll place it on the wall. I need some more. Okay, now it's time to start painting. There's something relaxing about creating art. Who knows? This might be a masterpiece. It could sell for millions. Maybe not. But I like it. I'm nearly finished. What do you think? I know. You're impressed. It feels like a tropical paradise. But it's missing something. What is it? I know! Give me a minute. There. My bed can go right there. That's much better. I think I deserve a rest. I can't get comfortable. This isn't working. I need to fix this. I'll place a blanket over the bed. This should soften it up. Now I'll add some pillows. It's starting to look cozy. What else do I need? Oh, I have a great idea. You're gonna love this. I'm not talking about my sweet moves. I mean about my slide. I'll just move it into position. I'm gonna connect to the top bunk. It's gonna be awesome! Next I need to inflate this pool. This is tough! I'm starting to get dizzy. I have a better idea. I just need my hairdryer. And a plastic bottle. I'll place the top of the bottle over the hairdryer. Then use tape to hold it in place. I need to make sure it's secure. That should do it. This is awesome! Pew! Pew! I'll place it over the valve on the pool. And switch it on. Look! It's working! Wow, this is so easy. And really quick. I wish I had thought of this earlier. It's ready! I don't need this anymore. Now I need to put it into position. The bottom of the slide is the perfect location. That's another job done. But what should I fill it with? Balls, of course! Lots and lots of balls. Ready to try it out? This is so exciting! Here I come! Whee! That was so much fun! This is the best idea I've ever had! Why haven't I done this before? Hello? It's Grace. You need to come over to my house. It's party time. Grace? Oh my gosh. That sounds amazing! Woohoo! Hey, a party? Alright! Yeah! Hello? A party? I'll be there. Hello? Wow, that sounds great! Yes! I'm on my way! You know I love a party! Really? Let's do this! I'll see you soon! Oh yeah! I'm invited? Wow! It's gonna be a late one. See you then! This is gonna be great! There's still so much to do. I can't waste any time. This needs to go. You're coming with me. There's nothing to watch on this TV. Every party needs a good playlist. But this old speaker isn't music to my ears. Let's get rid of these boxes. Phew. Almost done. These are the last few things. You're wondering what I'm gonna do now, aren't ya? Come on. I'll slide this stand into the corner. This seems like a good spot. Let's have a look at it. It's a little boring. Let's find some decorations. Pretty cool. Get it? It's a fan. That can go here. We need to find more. These will definitely create a party mood. They can go on the wall, too. It's all coming together. It's gonna look amazing! This bunting will look great on the stand. It's gonna be the social event of the year. But I'm not finished. This will be the main feature on the wall. Can you give me a hand? I'll smooth it out so there's no creases. This is thirsty work. Just kidding. It's empty. I'll stick it to the wall. Then add some more. There's space for one more cup. My Ferris wheel is complete. Wow, I love it! Now I need to do the skyline. These clouds are cute. It feels like I'm at the beach. I just need to work on my tan. Now I need to do the other wall. Ah! Here goes! This is speed decorating! How about a hot air balloon? Perfect. This seems like a good time to practice my dance moves. That's enough. It's too tiring. Huh? I'm gonna need drinks and snacks. I need to raid the kitchen! Parkour! Don't mind me! Aha! This is what I'm looking for. You're coming with me. Don't mind me. Nice and easy. Made it! No one will suspect a thing. I'll put them around here. This can be my bar. This is making me hungry. Time for a quick glasses change. And a refreshing drink. Ah, that hit the spot. But I'm gonna need glasses of a different kind. It is a party after all. I'm feeling tropical. So I may as well get in the mood. This is looking tasty. And I'll add a little umbrella. Now I can start to relax. And maybe get into the party mood. Potato chips. I could eat them all the time. They're my favorite. It's time to party! Woohoo! This is amazing! Woo! I love what you've done with the place, Grace! Oh yeah! Did you see that? I feel so alive! Whoa, what a rush! Who wants a drink? An orange soda? Coming right up. Enjoy. Thanks! This is the best! Oh hey! You're looking good! Yes! Let's do this! I love this! Oh yeah! I'm having so much fun! Woo! Oh my gosh, this song's the best! Does it get any better than this? I've been working on these moves. My mom says I'm a great dancer. Coming through, ladies. Ooh! I'm gonna play a game. Yes! I got the ball in the cup! Too easy! Trick shot! Wow, I am good! Grace, you throw the best parties. Oh, let's dance! Wow, what a night! Grace, the slide's all yours! Here I come! Whoa! Wow! What a rush! I want to do it again! I don't want this to stop! Where should I start? There's so much to do. The bed has got to go. This is gonna be fun. Sorry, bed, but it's you or me. Take that! This is a great stress release. I did it! Okay, what now? Oh, wow! Grace has started already. What's first? Well, I need a bed. It's time to get to work. I need a plan. How should it look? Oh, I know. Oh, this is like a workout. Drawing blueprints is harder than I thought. Ooh, I thought this would be easy. This can go over here. And this. Whew, that looks good. I should have hired a carpenter. You can't have enough storage space. It's different. Ugh, this is so frustrating! That's it! Now it's personal. Ugh, I'm getting dizzy. I think I'm gonna throw up. The room is spinning! Whoa! Wow! I did it! I'm pretty proud of that. Phew. There. That's the bedsheets on. I need some glitz. I need to furnish it. I love these shoes. It's looking good. Hello, handsome. My books can go here. What's missing? Oh, I know! My classwork! My own workspace. It feels better already. It's so cute! And I did it all by myself. Let's try out the bed. Ah. Hi, Emily. I know this one. Emily, hi. Hey! This is so much fun.
What's on TV?
And the secret is to use the paintbrush.
Boring.
And then… Wait, are you kidding me?
Can't.
Look at that house! I've never seen anything like it. It's awful. I need to do something. Coming through! I love a good challenge. Wakey wakey! It's not every day you have a celebrity in your house. Wake up! Wow, you're heavy. I give up. Only one thing for it. Wake up! I'm up! That's better. You're going to need this.
Ooh, how exciting!
Let's get to work. Okay, let's start with some cleaning. I hope there's no spiders. When was the last time you dusted? Nap time. Spotless. Oh, come on! Give me that pillow.
Hey, I was using that!
Stop sleeping!
Ouch! Take that!
Oh, yeah? Stop! I'm trying to help! Look at this room. It's worse than before. Although… I have an idea. I'll stick this LED strip to the wall. And along here. This is going to look great. I'll need some tape. That was easy. Now for the fun part. I'll stick the pillow stuffing to the tape. It'll cover up the LED strip. It feels so fluffy. Ah!
Is there something on my face?
Thanks. Ta-da!
Whoa, what is it?
It's a cloud light. It's so peaceful and relaxing.
Uh-huh, it's beautiful. Wow, you're a genius.
Okay, my sweet angels. Mommy will only be gone for a bit. So be on your best behavior. Gimme that! Jeez, no need to hit! I wanna play! Come on, grab any toy you want! Huh? And let there be light! Who did that? Why won't this thing move? Ugh. I think the sugar's kicked in! Give me that! Woohoo! Howdy! Let's go swimming! Wow. Phew! Anyone wanna paint? This color looks really good on you, Jake! Wow, this is getting good, huh? Purple! Wait, use this one too! I'm loving this. And I'm not done yet! Shh! Now for the grand finale! Eee! But there's just one thing missing! Uh-oh! Whoa! What on earth? Oh! I don't even recognize this place anymore! Deep breaths. Children, let's get rid of all this stuff. What is going on down there? It's just me, Mom. Oh, this is just horrendous. But I must admit, that's quite beautiful. There. I love a good self-portrait. And look at all that interesting texture. It really is something, isn't it? Whoa! It looks awesome!
This place is neat, but I think it needs some sprucing up.
Agreed! Let's get to work. First step, cleaning. Here we go!
Why so many boxes down here? Was someone using the room as a dumpster?
Oof, a lot of spider webs too. Good thing no spiders. It's still so sticky though. There we go! Got it off my fingers.
Phew, we did it! This place is totally cleaned up now.
It was a lot of work though. I'm a bit out of breath.
Get out of breath? I'm straight up exhausted.
Is Mickey asleep? Now's my chance to make my move. I'll just slip back up this ladder to the bed and bedroom above. I made it! Phew! Gotta be hella quiet though. I'll tiptoe while I look around. Okay, let me try that box. Is there anything inside that'll keep me warm?
Nothing.
Let's see.
Oh! What about this fabric?
I think that could work. Maybe I should check out this trash bin.
Is anyone…
I don't think we should barbecue ice cream.
Huh? What's that thumping sound?
Andy, you're awake! Look what I brought down! Beanbag chairs! You know, so we can sit on them?
Whoa! What the heck?
Ah! Why is it shaking? We gotta get out of here!
Quick! Get up the ladder to safety! Wait, it's shaking up here too! What's going on?
It must be an earthquake! Come on! We gotta get out of here!
Whoa! What the heck? Hey! There's a club party going on in here!
Well, at least it's not an earthquake! Mandy! I've got a great idea! I'm taking some of these balloons!
What?
Come on! Let's get back to the secret room! It's so much quieter down here. Much better. And I snagged these pretty balloons too. Okay, now I just have to get to work. I've got this big plastic bag. I'll just slip the balloons inside. They'll all fit. Last one. And now I can close the bag nice and tight. Next up, I'll take off the cap on this little plastic cup. Now I'll just vacuum all the excess air out of the bag. There we go. All the air in the big bag is gone now. And now the cap just needs to go back on to keep the air out. There we go. I've got a nice beanbag chair and a balloon ottoman.
This party is a killer! Fire is the best element!
It's so nice and relaxing down here. Oh! Hey, Mandy!
That party was amazing! I had such a great time! Whoa! What the heck?
I see you've discovered my balloon furniture. Pretty nice, right?
Well, I have a balloon too. And look, it can light up.
Whatever. Oh, hey! Mandy! That's getting pretty bright! Mandy! Stop it!
What's that, Mickey? I can't hear you over all this glorious heat. So nice.
When you have a water park in your home, the fun never ends. What's your favorite ride at a water park? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.